friends, we're back with another Woolworths and Big W mystery bricks unboxing. Wonder what's going to be in this one. It actually feels really thin and there's just 2 bits there. Let's open it up. We're going to give it a little quiet rip and just see what's in this one. I wonder. Come on. Well, let's... Ooh! What is this? Oh, it's a breakfast bowl. How exciting. Let's tip it out and see. Oh, my goodness. That is amazing. Let's see how we put it together. So, completed. It looks like that, huh? Okay. Okay. Let's see. Well, see the circle sticker, which it looks like strawberries and other berries, and there's a peach in there too. So we'll put that here where it needs to go, right in the middle. And again, if it's not perfect, that doesn't matter. So that's that one. And then it looks like this big thing here is going to be the packet of mixed berries. Now let's zoom in on that a bit. There we go. Look at them. Oh my goodness. Don't look at my fingernails. Look at the mixed berries. So we'll tear that one off. Oh goodness. Sometimes we have problems getting stickers off, don't we? Oh dear. Sometimes we need help, but that's okay. We can always ask for help. It's never a problem to ask for help. Now, I'm going to say that might go like, oh, I don't know. How is it supposed to go? Let's see. It might just go like that. Does it go like that? I'm going to say it goes like that. And if I'm wrong, that's okay too. So there's that one. Oh, mixed berries. Okay. And then we have 2 stickers left. And I wonder, did I not get a... Oh, whoopsie-daisy. I left another piece in the bag. Whoopsie. Okay, that makes sense now. All right, so we've got our bowl, our breakfast bowl. We've got our mixed berries. And now we've got, what's this? Oh, good. That is yogurt. You got to look really closely. But this pink one here is strawberry yogurt. And obviously, and of course, all these things are sold at Woolworths. So we put the strawberry yogurt there. Oh my goodness, isn't that gorgeous and little and tiny and beautiful? There's that one. Here we've got some vanilla yogurt. And that's a lovely way to start the day. Some vanilla yogurt and or strawberry yogurt. And some mixed berries. So that plus these 2 equals that. Oh, I want everyone to let me know in the comments, is that a beautiful breakfast or what? And how many of you had breakfast like this morning? Excellent. Now, I've got another bag here, but I'm not going to open it yet. I'm going to open it in the next video. So what I want you to do is press like on this video, and you can share it too if you want. And if you subscribe, which I hope you do, press the bell notification so you won't miss out on the next Woolworths and Big W Lego brick unboxing. And we're going to have so much fun together, and I'll see you in the next video.